Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today we're going to check out some of the best webcams that are available on the market. While most of today's laptops and ultra-portables come with webcams of acceptable quality, nothing beats a dedicated webcam for sheer quality. Here in this, we are going to show you the best webcams. Check out the description of the prices and more information. So let's get started with the video. It's time to update your webcam usage. Genius presents a new full HD webcam to improve your chatting and video conference experience, WideCam F100. This webcam has an ultra wide angle lens, up to 120 degrees, which lets you see at a broader angle, so there's no need to crowd around in front of a regular webcam. For video conferences, WideCam F100 has a built-in stereo amplifier to let you talk freely with crystal clear voice quality. Plus, the glass lens provides a better image quality for chatting. The F100 also includes a USB extension cable, which can increase the distance up to 3 meters. The 120-degree range of view afforded by the wide-angle lens lets you see further during webcam chats. Great for boardroom conferences, telecommuting, or multi-person chats. The camera pivots 360 degrees for versatile positioning, and the manual focus lets you fine-tune your picture for viewing precision. The C270 HD webcam from Logitech is a reliable, easy-to-use way to record video or chat online with your workstation. This webcam can stream or record clear HD 720p widescreen video at an aspect ratio of 16:9. It emphasizes built-in bright light technology so that your webcam will adapt to low light conditions. Making it excellent for video calls or IM chatting, the webcam has a built-in microphone with right sound technology that counterbalances acoustic noise in your background, so your communications sound clear and natural. Regarding video chatting, the webcam is agreeable with many IM applications, notably Skype, Windows Live Messenger, Yahoo Messenger, and AOL Instant Messenger. Beyond video, the webcam can also take snapshot pictures at a resolution of 3 megapixels. The C615 HD webcam from Logitech is an excellent webcam for use with Windows and Mac workstations. The webcam emphasizes an autofocus lens that is intelligent of capturing 1080p HD video and 8 megapixel still pictures. The camera supports 720p HD video for web chats and highlights built-in microphones with noise reduction technology for taking clear, clean audio. The added software promotes one-click video upload to Facebook. It will also let you log into your computer system through facial recognition. Logitech Video Effects enables you to add cool special effects to your chats. With the camera's software, you will also get passage to the Logitech Vid HD calling network. This webcam can be attached on a tripod, can swivel 360 degrees, and can also be folded up if you want to take it on the road. Techet is a full HD 1080p web camera which comes equipped with high-precision glass element lens, 1920 by 1080 HD screen resolution, and HD digital camera CMOS sensor, which provides an excellent quality on video calling and recording, like Skype, YouTube, video calling, and Facebook. You just plug and play. There's no need to install a particular driver for this to work. It eliminates the background noise, and you can be heard clearly with the built-in noise-canceling microphone. The person you're chatting with will enjoy only the clear, crisp audio, even without the use of a dedicated headset. The camera can be adjusted to achieve the best focus point based on your personal preference, and it also offers a sharper image and a better video chat experience. Get excellent quality and exquisite appearance with the Docooler USB 2.0 12 megapixel HD camera webcam. The webcam is designed for both laptop and desktop. You do not need an extra driver to install for this product. Just plug in and play. The other exciting feature we found about this device is that it has a built-in sound absorption microphone. The main advantage of this feature is that your voice can be heard clearly in 10 meters. If you're looking for a webcam with useful features and low price, this one will be a good pick for you. Also, this product can be adjustable according to your convenience. The Bestecker FHD webcam is ideal and enhanced for Skype, FaceTime, Google Hangout, and similar video calling clients. It is perfect for video conferencing, chatting, and live streaming. This camera can record vibrant, true-to-life, high-quality videos for posting to any social media platform. It is fast and smooth. With improved hardware, advanced chips, and facial enhancement technology, Bestecker brings you a sharp, clear image quality even in dim and harsh lighting. It enhances night vision. Present yourself at your best features that are not common with other webcams. The full 1536p high-resolution HD camera provides you with crystal clear, true-to-life video and with wide-angle 100-degree Carl Zeiss standard glass lens. It offers you more detail and ensures crisp detail without distortion. Spend some FaceTime in HD with the latest Microsoft LifeCam HD-3000 USB webcam. This full-featured webcam is intelligent of 720p video, 1280 by 720 resolution, at 30 frames per second, and incorporates an integrated omnidirectional noise-canceling microphone for clear sound transmission while video calling or conferencing. It's also Skype certified and optimized for Microsoft Link. The True Color technology produces bright and vivid color in a cinematic 16:9 widescreen proportion. Perfect for social media websites, the unit also has a universal attachment base that enables you to connect to desktops or notebooks. With a host of useful software like Windows Live Movie Maker and Windows Live Photo Gallery, this webcam is ideal for users who want some FaceTime with family and friends. The Logitech C920 HD Pro webcam is a complicated web camera. It allows true HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second on Skype. The camera also emphasizes UVC H.264 technology, which gives HD quality without HD bandwidth. The camera's full 78-degree diagonal field of view includes everyone on group calls, so there's no need to reposition the camera. Get razor-sharp images even on close-ups from a glass autofocus lens engineered with the aid of industry legend Carl Zeiss. Omnidirectional dual stereo microphones provide high-quality audio in offices or small conference rooms. For your convenience, the webcam is mountable on an LCD screen, notebook, tabletop, or wall with the attached clip, or on a tripod via the embedded thread. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.